Today, we're diving into a key upgrade for BMW owners, the RemoteOverstock CR2450 EV battery replacement. If you're driving a BMW from 2009 to 2018, including the 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7 series, as well as the X3 and X4, this could be a game changer for you. No one wants to be caught off guard by a dead key fob battery, especially when it's easily preventable. Let's start with compatibility. This battery is designed specifically for BMW Smart Key Remote fobs from the mentioned model years. It's not compatible with the newer models from 2019 and beyond, so keep that in mind. But if your BMW falls within the compatible range, you're in luck. Installation is where this product shines. With the included opening tool, replacing the battery becomes a breeze. No need for a service appointment or a trip to the dealership. Just follow the detailed instructions provided, and you'll have your key fob up and running again in no time. And trust me, you'll appreciate this convenience when you see that dreaded key battery needs replacing message pop up on your dashboard. Let's talk about the brand. RemoteOverstock has crafted a reliable OEM replacement battery here. It's ergonomic, ensuring a comfortable grip, and it supports a range of BMW models. Plus, with a max number of supported devices set at 1, you can trust that this battery is optimized for your BMW key fob's performance. Now, the big question, is it worth it? Absolutely. Investing in a quality replacement battery like the RemoteOverstock CR2450 can save you time, money, and hassle down the road. With easy installation, reliable performance, and detailed instructions included, it's a no-brainer for BMW owners looking to keep their key fobs running smoothly. Upgrade your key performance today with the RemoteOverstock CR2450 EV battery replacement. Your BMW will thank you for it. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.